The CNS 6200 can monitor up to 32 patients' data depending on configuration, including optional software. CNS 6200 monitors real-time data, stores data for monitored patients, and sounds an alarm if the patient's condition changes. The CNS 6200 can be operated by touchscreen or mouse. Touch Admit in the area where we admit a patient. Touch Admit again and OK. Add patient information by using a keyboard or a software keyboard, touching the keyboard icon. Then touch All Beds to go back to the All Beds screen. The central nursing station has now started monitoring the patient. To discharge a patient, touch the patient's area and touch Admit Discharge. Discharge, and then OK. When you discharge the patient, all the patient's data will be erased from the central nursing station. To start any operation, touch the patient's area. Then, touch the numeric display or the waveform to change settings, or tap on the bottom menu and select Screens or Settings. To go back to the individual waveform screen, touch Individual Waveform at the bottom. To go back to All Patients screen, touch All Patients at the bottom. To change the ECG settings, touch the patient's area. By touching the ECG waveform, we can change the sensitivity of each ECG waveform. To change the ECG settings, touch the heart rate value. When you start monitoring, the bedside monitor will recognize the normal ECG as a reference for arrhythmia detection. If the arrhythmia detection is inaccurate due to a change of the ECG's baseline, you can readjust the current ECG waveform by touching Learn ECG. You will see the alarm limit settings at first. The upper-lower alarm limits can be adjusted. Touch Arrhythmia Alarm to change the settings. You can also change the ST Alarm, Arrhythmia Analysis setting, ST Point, QTC, QRSD, and others by touching the tabs as well. Do the same to change the settings of SpO2. Touch the SpO2 waveform to change sensitivity, and touch SpO2 value to adjust upper-lower alarm limit. For NIBP, touch NIBP value, and then we can change the interval period. Take an NIBP measurement and adjust the alarm limit. For invasive blood pressure, touch press waveforms to change the scales. Touch press value to change the alarm limit for each IBP label. Touch display settings to change the display settings for press. For temperature, touch temp value to adjust alarm limit for each label. For CO2, touch CO2 waveform to change the scale, and touch CO2 value for alarm limit and settings. We can also select each parameter setting from the parameter icon at the bottom from each tab. In case of alarms, the central nursing station shows an alarm message with an alarm level color, blue, orange, and red. a sound with different alarm level and highlighted numeric data. We can silence the alarm by touching Alarm Silence icon on each area. The central nursing station can store numeric data on up to 16 selected waveforms for 120 hours. You can review data on trend graph, tabular trend, full disclosure, expanded waveform, event list, ST recall, arrhythmia recalled, SpO2 trend, ECG 12-lead analysis, hemodynamics list, and alarm events. You can also record or print data from a recorder or a laser printer, depending on configuration. You can visualize one or two parameters at the same time. Touch the down arrow icon to expand an upper review screen, or touch the up arrow icon to expand a lower review screen. You can also change the review screen from Screen Change icon. Each review screen shows the same time data. When you would like to review waveform data at a specific time on the trend graph, just change the review screen from the Screen Change icon from right or bottom. At the trend graph, we can change parameters from left parameter selection and can set up to 3 parameters and up to 6 events. You can change the displayed time width and scroll through the timeline. Trend patterns can be configured based on your requirement. At the tabular trend, you can change parameters from left parameter selection. You can also change the display interval and scroll through the timeline. The vital sign list pattern can be configured based on your requirements. You can show the vital sign list when NIBP is measured by touching NIBP. At the full disclosure, we can change parameters from the left parameter selection. We can select display waveform type from single waveform, 12-lead waveform, multiple waveform, or custom waveform. You can also change sensitivity or scale and display interval in one line and scroll through the timeline. At the expanded waveform, we can change parameters from left parameter selection. You can select display waveform type from single waveform, 12-lead waveform, all waves, or custom waveform. At the arrhythmia recall, you can sort by date, time, or event. Also, you can filter the displayed arrhythmia by event with the filter icon. We can select multiple arrhythmia recalls for deleting, recording, and printing at the checkbox. At the event list, we can sort by date, time, or alarm level. Also, we can filter display event by event type from the filter icon. At the alarm event, we can change alarm event from left alarm event selection. You can also change the display time width and scroll through the timeline. It is also possible to stop monitoring temporarily, for example during an examination. To do that, touch the patient's area and touch Admit Discharge. Then touch Pause. You can select the reason for pausing monitoring, and then touch Pause again. The pause reason for the monitored bed is displayed at the patient's area at the All Beds screen. To start monitoring again, touch Pause and Resume. When a patient is transferred to another bed, we can transfer data and can change the area according to the transferred bed. Touch the patient's area and touch Admit Discharge. Then, touch Patient Transfer. Select the destination bed and touch Transfer. When the Confirm window displays, confirm the source bed and the destination bed. Then, touch Yes. To exchange two beds in one central nursing station, touch the patient's area and touch Admit Discharge. Then select Exchange Beds. Touch an available bed and touch Exchange Beds again. When the confirmation window appears on the display, touch Yes. To admit a patient who was discharged before, touch Admit in the area where we admit a patient. Touch Readmit and select a patient in that list. We can sort the list by discharge time, patient ID, or name. Confirm the patient information and touch Admit and OK. The central nursing station stores the last 16 discharged patients.